Where did I put my mail cars? Maybe Stanley touched them, probably. Stanley, did you touch my mail cars? Oh, it's in the siding. Oh, thanks. Alright, now what do I do? Oh my goodness, what's that? Is that, ugh, it's a jet engine, Percy. Don't be so daft. Whoa, could I use it? What? Heck no, Percy. But then why do you get to use it, Thomas? Because I get specials all the time. Sucks to be you. Oh, Thomas. That's better. Careful. Yeah, there we go. I can't believe my driver's allowing me to do this. Okay, now how do I use it? Maybe bumping it will do something, I guess. Hopefully. Let's try it. Well, I can feel the fire in my eyes. Whoa, my brakes. My what a nice wash down. Wow, what the? Percy! Wait a minute, he stole my special. Oh, that real green caterpillar, screw it, I'm gonna hurt him, whatever. I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna do something he'll never forget. Oh, screw it. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Thomas? Shut the heck up. Don't ask how, just be glad. Alright. Quickly, Percy. We gotta put on our brakes. I get the point. Just put on your brakes! Oh crap, that didn't work. Now what? Well, I guess. Oh crap! Whoa. Thomas, are you okay? No, you made me fall off the rails and took my special. Of course I'm not. Well, screw me then. Sorry, I gotta go. Bye. Percy, I'm gonna kill you.